Hello guys, how are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going to show you how I laid this beautiful bob wig. Like you guys comment down below if you think I look like someone popular. I think I look like someone popular, but I can't remember who. So this hair is from Amanda Hair and I love it so much. I think this is the hair I'm going to rock for, you know, the next few weeks. You guys know how it works now. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you how I put this hair. This hair is actually a glueless wig, even though I use glue for the front part, but it is a glueless wig. And you guys know that I am not a hair expert, so for me, who is a beginner, to slay this hair like this, they know that the hair is really good. So I'm going to leave the link to this hair in the description box. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So guys, the hair came in this box, this pink box with Amanda Hair written on it. And then this is what the hair itself looks like. It is inside this plastic bag, and then it came with, you know, a set of wig caps as usual. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and bring out the wig so that you guys will see what it looks like right out of the packaging. It's inside this net thing and it has this, you know, stuff here. So this hair is the short bob straight cut hair 13x4 lace front wig. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to this hair and everything about it in the description box. This is 12 inches and yeah, it feels very good already. Like, it feels really good. I like the way it looks too. It looks good. Like, it looks like real quality hair. It doesn't look like all those bob wigs that when you know, bring them out, you start seeing fly away hairs. This looks like, you know, very good quality hair. So I'm really excited about this hair. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link to everything in the description box. It is 3x4 and 4x4. okay, so it actually has a pattern and it is pre-plucked. Okay, so they've already gone ahead to pluck the wig. This is what the hairline looks like. It's pre-plucked, but I'm just going to, you know, pluck it a little more just so that it looks more realistic. And yeah, it is also a glueless wig, so you don't really need glue to rock this wig, but I'm going to, you know, put a little bit of glue on it because I want it to stay put, you know, throughout today. But yeah, let me just go ahead and put it on my head and show you guys what it looks like right out of the box. So this is the inside of the wig. It also comes with these combs, you know, for securing the wig, and that's the lace. It has, you know, quite a bit of lace here so that you can do the pattern very well. So I'll also color, you know, the inside of this lace because this is not my skin tone, so I'll try and blend it by putting some foundation on it, and you know, then I'll go ahead and wear the wig so that you guys can see what it looks like before I do other things on it. Yeah, so this is my foundation. This is the Dream Matte Mousse. It's not liquid, it's not powdered. It has, you know, a mousse-like texture, you know. So I'm just going to apply it to the inside of the wig, then also cut off the extra lace. Okay, so this is what the inside of the hair looks like now. I have, you know, put my foundation to make it look a little bit more realistic. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead now and brush back my baby hairs and also wear my wig cap. I'm just going to use this hair wax to, you know, do my edges. Ideally I should have used got2b glue or something, but there's no point. The reason why I'm making sure that my natural edges are back is because I'm going to be using the glue, and you don't want your hair to be caught in that glue. Like, you don't want it. So let me just go ahead now and wear my wig cap. Yeah, so I'm going to still put it back a bit because I don't want it showing, you know, in the front of the wig. I just want to wear the wig now and see how it looks overall before I know how to pluck it and, you know, just basically customize it to my hairline and then cut off the lace. Okay, so like I said, this hair is actually a glueless wig, so you really don't need glue for it. But like I said, I'm just going to glue, you know, the front so that it will stay put, and I'm also going to color the wig cap because it's a little bit too bright for me. But yeah, the hair is already very tight. Like, it fits my hair very well, so you really don't need a glue for it. Yeah, so I'm okay with the way it looks like this. I'm just going to take it off now, cut off the lace, and also, you know, color the wig cap so that it's not too bright. Okay, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer. Actually guys, you don't need to do this part, okay? Like you can either leave the wig cap the way it is if it suits your skin tone, or you can just get a brown wig cap, but most wigs that I have seen come with this color wig cap. Yeah, so I've gone ahead to pluck, you know, the pattern a bit, and then I've cut off the lace from the wig. So let me just put it back on my head and then glue it down, okay? Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. Okay, so let me just put this back a bit. I'm only going to glue this part of the wig. I'm not going to glue the sides, like I said, because I'm just leaving it as side part, so I don't need to glue the sides. Ideally, you're supposed to use spirit or 70-something or 80-something% alcohol to clean there, but I personally don't like using, you know, alcohol on my face, so I'm just using a wet cotton pad. It's just wet with water. I'm just going to clean that part. Then I'm also going to use a dry one and dry it. Okay, so I'm going to be using this bold hold glue. Yeah, this bold hold glue is what I'm going to use, and I'm just going to place it just here. I'm not doing much, just the front part. Change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face. I'm trying to see if it is getting clear. It's not clear yet, so let me just keep, you know, trying to dry it down a bit. The reason why I am doing this is that if you put the wig on this directly, your wig is going to be messed up. You're going to have white residue and it's not going to glue properly. So I just want to get it very tacky and, you know, let it disappear a bit, let it become clear, and then I'll put the wig down. Yeah, so I think it has dried down enough. Let me just remove this now and then place the wig on it. That's my mirror. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Even though I don't need to, I'm just going to go ahead and tie it down so that I'll be sure that, you know, it's going to stay put. Now that I've tied it down, I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup, and then when I am done, I'll come back and style the hair properly, okay? So, yeah. Alright guys, I am done with my makeup now, but I haven't put lip gloss yet because I haven't straightened my hair, and I don't want, you know, hair to be, my lip gloss to be attracting hair, to be gluing hair. Alright, so I'm just going to remove the scarf now. Yeah, I'm sure the hair is glued properly now. So I'm going to use my hair wax on the front of the hair, just this side of the hair. Your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Alright guys, this is how my hair is looking now, but let me just do the pattern well so that it will really like look more realistic. I'm just going to put a little bit of my concealer on the pattern. Yeah, I have to be careful. So yeah, that's the final look. I really like how this hair looks. It is 12 inches like I said. You can either bob it, or, you know, you can leave it straight, or you can, you know, put waves in it. Anyhow you decide to do it, the hair is very, very beautiful and very easy to use. You guys know that I'm not a hair expert in any shape, way or form. I'm not a hair expert, but I was able to lay the hair properly and look good. Okay, how do I look? Do you guys like this hair? So like I said, I'm going to leave the hair details in the description box. It is hair by Amanda, or Amanda Hair. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. There's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure.